Hello friends, this is Ali, and in today's video I have a beautiful shop with me, a entryway decor, and a little bit of baking. It's kind of like a fall cozy vlog, if you will. We are starting with our shopping, and we are at Home Goods, which is my #1 favorite store of all times. They have beautiful pumpkins like these here. They are so beautiful! And when I sing, I really love something. And these are all gorgeous. Different pumpkins in styles and colors. I want to let you know that this is a collaboration that I'm hosting, and it is called the Home Decor Luxe Club. Every Friday for the entire month of August, we will be bringing you decor ideas for the early fall season. So we hope you guys will enjoy. Please check out the playlist link down below to see all my lovely YouTube sisters. And thank you, my wonderful sisters, for collaborating with me in this beautiful collab that I love so much. Please visit them and let them know that I sent you. You will see a lot of different ideas, and although you may not be ready to decorate just yet, at least you'll get some ideas and start seeing what it is you're gonna be going with for this coming fall. So we hope that you will enjoy these every Friday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is a gorgeous pumpkin. It's so beautiful. I love it. $19.99. Very luxe, very elegant, just like these here as well. This beautiful amber color. You can find a plethora of pumpkin selection here at Home Goods, and I love them all. They are just very luxe, very glam and elegant, just the way I love them. They did have a lot of color combinations as well, and black and white, which is always a very beautiful neutral, or a neutral color like this one with a little bit of glam. And speaking of, Home Goods also has the best placemats, just $9.99 for each of these, and I think they're so beautiful. A bit on the pricier side, but they last a long time, and they are gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous peacock runner. Most of these runners are $25, but it is so beautiful. So now that we shopped a little bit, I also shopped my home, and I came up with a little bit of decor on my entryway. My entryway is very small, but although it's small, you can still decorate beautiful. And if you don't have an entryway, you can create one. I created one with this furniture piece from IKEA that you see right underneath the mirror, and it looks beautiful. I love decorating for every season. And I have the same decor that you saw on my tablescape that I used last week. If you haven't had a chance to check that out, I will link it below to the entire series and my beautiful YouTube sisters' links for their channels, and also for the playlist link. So please be sure to check it out, and you are going to love all the ideas, and I'm sure there's going to be something for everyone. So what I did here, I just basically used the pumpkins in the middle. I used the vessels on either end as well as the florals, and placed this beautiful wreath at the door. And also I used a couple of those brass candlesticks and placed the pumpkins right on top. It doesn't take a lot to decorate, guys, so it could be simple yet elegant, over the top or minimal, whichever style you like. And I know I have quite a bit of pumpkins here, but I don't think that it's over the top. I think it is just right. So I thought it'd be a little bit festive and bring in a little bit of baking. Nothing complicated. Friends, I am not about complications, so I love something quick and easy. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So basically it's this pumpkin bread and muffin mix that I get from Trader Joe's. The directions are very easy. All you need is eggs, water, and oil. And you could pause the video here if you'd like, or take a picture of it. Now this bread is not out at Trader Joe's yet, but I happen to have a box because it doesn't expire until 2024. So that's always great because it comes in handy for this cozy vlog. So I'm also hauling these little bowls for $3.99 from Home Goods. They are gorgeous. I love them. And so I'm going to use them as my assistants for today's little baking session, which is very easy. So let's get started. Also, if you see here, you could do holiday bread or you could turn them into muffins. Now the muffins are done a lot quicker. They take about 18 minutes versus the bread, which takes about an hour or 55 minutes, depending on your oven. Now, so what I'm going to do first here is use my little mixing bowls, and these little dessert bowls, or I don't know what they are, but they are beautiful. I'm going to use them as my little assistant bowls here. And so I'm going to use my water glass as well for the water that I need, and of course bring a little bit of oil. The beauty of this bread is that you don't have to use a blender or any kind of gadget. You don't even need a whisk. So all you need to do is pour it all together, and then you're going to fold in the actual mix at the end, and you're going to do that with the spatula for about 1 to 2 minutes. That's it, guys. And let me tell you, I promise you it is delicious. So as soon as you see it at Trader Joe's, make sure you grab yourself a couple of boxes because this bread is very popular and it flies off the shelf the minute it comes out. As you can see, I was really excited. The smell of my home of pumpkin. Oh, this smells delicious. I loved it. And look at the cutting board. I picked that up from the 99-cent store a couple of years back. There is nothing like a slice of delicious pumpkin bread for a cozy night in. And yes, go ahead and use the good plates. I'm using and also hauling this beautiful little serving tray for only $5.99. It's the Baroque Collection serving tray. It's from Home Goods and it is gorgeous with its beautiful gold color. And you know, there's nothing that serving and entertaining with beautiful platters. I am also going to be using a little bit of pumpkin butter, which I also had. So it does last a while. So if you want to grab yourself a couple of jars when they come out, because the jam is also very popular. I said jam, but it's actually pumpkin butter. Well, friends, I'm going to sit back and enjoy with the beautiful, delicious serving plate of my pumpkin bread and enjoy the rest of the videos. So I hope you guys have liked this video. Please let me know down below if you like these type of videos, and please check out my beautiful YouTube sisters. Thank you once again for joining me, sisters. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Please enjoy the rest of the video with music, and we'll see you here next Friday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And don't forget to check the playlist link. You're in for a special treat. I will have all the videos, including the ones from last week, for you. Thanks for watching, you guys, and remember to live well, healthy, happy, and organized. Many blessings and happy fall, y'all.